launching here today in Shanghai our brand, the new brand Polestar, a performance electric car brand. And at the same time we brought here our very first product, that would be the Polestar 1, electric performance hybrid with incredible 600 horsepower, a torque of 1000 Newton meters, at the same time bringing 150 kilometer electric range. Polestar will offer electric performance cars. That's a unique combination. And we are not talking here acceleration from 0 to 100. We are talking performance on the road, you know, when the first bend comes. Our suspension at Polestar is legendary. At the same time, we will offer design, the highest level, modern, aesthetic, avant-garde design brought to the, you know, the customer who really embraces that and loves it.
The approach revolves around a subscription model. So people will be able to take a one monthly payment that encompasses all the paraphernalia of a car, the insurance, the maintenance, roadside assistance, and on top of that, we add little elements such as pickup and delivery servicing, the ability to rent a car for a few days, and the overall package gives a one simple month payment that enables the customer to take the hassle out of anything to do with car ownership. Well, I think today we're seeing a real demand from consumers to see electric motors. People are concerned about pollution, and what we're doing here is launching a performance electrified brand at the perfect time, which means we're responding as it happens to consumers' demand at a time when there aren't that many players that are actually in this marketplace.
I believe strongly in what we can achieve with Polestar is that we will support the success of electromobility by adding to the appealing offer that there is in the market. And that definitely